I'm letting it.
Move.
Hold on.
You guys are fucking stupid. Matt, let's go on our room.
Oh! Come at me. I'm fucking dead.
The door's open. If it comes out, you don't. Hey, you can go out there. I'm taking video of this bitch. Alright, go.
Oh my god, dude, the flapping's it's crazy.
It's just chilling.
It's on the light bulbs. Get out of there.
Oh my god.
Move.
There's a fucking bird in her room. Don't hit it, dude. Don't fucking kill it.
Oh!
Get out. Shoot out. The window's open.
Oh, my toothbrush! Get away from me!
Tony, close your door.
Ah! Get out! Get out!
Get out. Cloud, you dumbass fucking thing.
Get out the window! Give me the bat! Give me the bat! Give me the bat!
Down and to the left.
Get out of here! I'm literally touching a bird with a bat right now. I swear.
Dumbass bird.
Like, let it land on the bat.
They'll figure it out.
Let it climb on the bat. Fucking let it climb on the bat.
Yeah, let me see the bat. Let me see it.
Dude, birds have fucking rabies.
Let me see this.
Oh, great. You tell me this now when I'm a foot away from the bird. Oh, no way.
Oh,
No way.
land on it. Come on. Come on.
Land on it, you motherfucker.
Tonight's Strike Zone, Ned, your thoughts?
There you go.
Pull it down slow.
That's what I thought. Well, here's his lineup tonight against
out.
right-hander
Oh!
yesterday. And
Stop
it was
trying to
a
jump to the
team
same
that
spot.
began in Philadelphia.
Come here.
There's literally an open window a
Get
foot
back on
away.
it, buddy.
Starting pitcher, only
He's,
Escobar,
dude, he's scared.
stinks, dude.
Kane, who have played in the
He's probably been shitting on himself.
Dude, let him get out.
Mike Pelfrey had spent
Fucker.
his entire
You want me to take the, I'm gonna take the screen off on the outside on the other side.
11 months after Tommy John surgery.
No, stop.
God!
Oh, there. Just shoot it left. Shoot it left.
Giving up a
I'm
couple
gonna take the
of
screen
unearned
off.
runs. 5 1/3 innings, and this is a homecoming of sorts for him. He is from Wichita. He has about 20
He's gonna
friends
go
and
outside the
family
window
here
as soon as
tonight.
car comes.